Yes, come to application. It's a money-making application, not like other application where gaman or fake application about online you go download in Play Store stuff. Advertisement come out number and make it style. No, it's a real application where me test him and me use him. Let me show you balance to me. How to set him up account, the application flow through. Let me show you one time. So flow with me. Go on how to cash out him or cash where you earn him from that application. Let me show you right way to make him go land plan. So flow one me, star one me na by how to make him one kind of semi make him. Thank you na. This application me talk them. It's called it's the premise application. Yeah, we going straight direct to account to me. But this is the application. This is the application that I want to show you guys on my screen here. It's the premise application. This is the application. And how to set up your account. You click him, you go in, it will ask you for your email. For mine, I've already set it up already. It's not a rocket science. You just simply download that application on Google Play Store, Premise, and you go use your email and whatever it asks you, prompted you to do, you follow through and you go into that application. And yeah, I'm also illegal work or some snapping picture, get a photo of whatever they ask you and send it, and you get paid for those photos. And here is my dashboard for that application. Here is the task. The task whereby you make him learn and get paid. It's here, all here. Example. For now, it's up on the screen here. Report on flour 1 kg to 5 kg featured task and 10 kina for that job. You see, like, okay, there are other tasks here. You see, like, okay, they're asking you to look at for the locate task by you picture on the fire station na Salimgo and ball paying you 70 to okay, like for power plants they will pay you 1 kina 35 to for the picture alone. You snapping power plant na Salimgo. Okay, kind of same. Take pictures of yogurt at your local supermarket, like that one. I'm about talking you look capture him all entire self number na this like in them. I'm all about buying you 35 kina. Okay, you follow through na you buy him good and buy him full amount. We all talk man. If you crangy lily na all picture and blurry you this like I'm over cut him some lily over deduct him some coins to stuff. So me playing finish me looking na me confirming me yet so me like him on just them side points below buy him data number of. Yeah, buy data na go online number na using phone view like that. I'm all walk here stop here. Power plants, street markets, food shops, 1 kina, 10 kina on flour, report on cooking oil, 10 kina, 1 kina 5 toya on vocational institute, and like that. So lily walk here, like you just example. You like see picture blow vehicle and bridges and all talk 1 kina 10 toya. You click on that one, you go and set instruction, blame stuff, follow through now. But you just kisimol. One making this one walk or talk lam kisimol picture salim go no okay you buy you after 24 to 72 hours and within 1 day or 3 days time. So 1 to 3 days within that interval of paying you come back and this application. So and that's the whole jobs here. Okay, you let's run outside na you sit down inside the house so na making this work stuff. You got all survey stuff. You got to surveys, but now bloom 3 plakam stuff. Sit down so na you answer him so survey you see 11 to so me talk finish. You know below come a millionaire one night. That's all. Come on side of coins below boy data below phone blue number. Okay, now you may go to a pathway how by you must withdraw him this money where you work him all work blue lemon. So after you complete him all work, kind of same. For me, all activities where me make him lem. This is my wallet. Me got 7 kina 23 toya stuff inside. But me make you one play example block cash out now it na by looking to. So flow with me. Okay. This is all activities where me make him na pay me come inside lo this like dashboard me looks like okay you see Me go, I'm all should work like 11 to 11 to 11 to I'm all, these are service where me make him. Okay, 70 to I'm out, I'm all picture where me snapping as Ali go 90 to 90 to all walk. Okay, 11 to I'm all service me less round na me sit down. Okay, this la tukina le mobile cash out, me cash out time le me book cash out. Okay. Only one thing about this application is it's like cash out option blem. Time you like cash out, you select him cash out. Okay. For me got 7 kina 23 toya start. Okay, yes. Okay, 7 kina 23 toya am the activities where me make him no pay me coming say. Okay, threshold blue lo cash out. It's 3 kina 50 toya. Time you reach 3 kina 50 toya, you are eligible to make him cash out. So in our country, two option lo cash out. You may got mobile top up na Coinbase. Okay. You may meeting ose mayol gamane mobile top up how call pay me come through. So me try Coinbase am hard me working transaction through Coinbase because I'm for Americans only. So time me select the mobile top up. Okay, I'll talk me put him phone number blue. Okay. Now it there. Bami sali one making one transaction go out. On the phone number blow me there. So these are the numbers where took the number blow me where we put him blow. Working cash out go lol. Which time you cash out go say mobile credit so. Okay, now we tell me la salim on the credit go this the number so me editing past them. Mobile top up. Okay, this the number where me la salim credit go leme me editing past them. Okay. Me la salim credit go. Sa number 74977 2412. Okay. Bila sali credit goal is the number. Okay. So that's how by you cash out lab. So your account has been successfully added. Account there with Bila Salim with Bila Salim ko number one from selective. But Bila Salim ko lang tap one. Okay. Yes. Okay, Bila Salim Golo is account number 74. Yeah. Okay. Next, you select. Okay, I'm to 7 kina 23 toya, but Miles lo Salim 7 kina 23 toya go. Mila at least Larisam balance from start. So Mila Salim 2 kina. Mila withdraw him. Yeah. 2 kina golo. This la phone number blow me. So our message back am can lem to ya bami not over notify you or some or pay 2 kina going to the phone number. So you check him and through mobile credit back stuff. So like okay. 2 kina me select okay. Okay, me 2 kina it's less than 350 so we select him 4 kina. But still payout go by 2 kina. If 10 kina na guanta am by you withdrawing 10 kina straight na go, but less than 10 kina na come down. By you kiss him through low. Yes, so now me working cash out there. Me talk 4 kina now you looking. Your payment is on the way. Okay, you see. Okay, you see. Now I'm talk. Time me clicking. Okay, next na cash out now. Okay, I'm go. Your payment is on the way. This transaction may take 2 to 3 business days to complete. Cash out amount 2 kina. Requested date, okay, I'm Muslim. Talk statement to how cash out them go stop. Okay. Now back to wallet. Okay. Balance me 7 kina 23 toya. I'm drop around 5 kina 23 toya now. Okay. Mobile cash out activities pending pending. Mobile top up cash out 2 kina. Okay. Time I'm come going to the phone blow me. One message back if now it. Number come now it. The message back come Muslim going there. So I make him screenshot blame yet. Na pa show him you. Muslim this the message where how will talk time will salim this money come. Na pa going na check balance. Na sa tukina come stop them why you look him to.